Welcome to this video on stroke rehabilitation and the role of diet in recovery and prevention. Every year, millions of people around the world suffer from strokes, which can have life-altering consequences. The road to recovery can be challenging, but diet plays a crucial role in not only aiding rehabilitation, but also preventing future strokes. In this video, we'll explore essential diet tips for stroke patients, foods that can help prevent stroke, and how nutrition supports the rehabilitation process. So, stay tuned if you or a loved one is on the journey of stroke recovery, or if you're looking for ways to protect your brain and heart health. 1. Diet for stroke patients. After a stroke, one of the key regions that can impact recuperation is the patient's eating regimen. Stroke patients frequently need specific nourishing consideration in light of the fact that their bodies and minds need additional help during the recuperating system. A sound eating regimen can assist the cerebrum with recuperating, forestall complexities, and lessen the gamble of having another stroke. The fundamental concentration for stroke patients ought to take on a heart-sound eating routine. This implies fruits and vegetables. New foods grown from the ground are basic for stroke patients. They're plentiful in cell reinforcements, nutrients, and minerals that help mind and heart well-being. Bright vegetables, like spinach, broccoli, carrots, and ringer peppers, offer various supplements like nutrients A and C, which assume a significant part in recuperating and diminishing irritation. Organic products like berries, apples, oranges, and bananas give fiber and cancer prevention agents. For instance, blueberries contain strong cell reinforcements that battle oxidative pressure, which can be unsafe to the mind after a stroke. Whole grains. Entire grains, like oats, earthy-colored rice, quinoa, and entire wheat bread, are superb wellsprings of fiber and assist with keeping up with solid circulatory strain and cholesterol levels. For stroke survivors, stable pulse is fundamental, as hypertension is one of the main gamble factors for stroke. Lean proteins. Stroke patients ought to zero in on lean wellsprings of protein. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are wealthy in omega-3 unsaturated fats, which assist with diminishing irritation and backing mind capability. Plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, and tofu are incredible options in contrast to creature proteins and give fundamental supplements without abundant soaked fats. Chicken and turkey are likewise lean choices that give the protein expected to muscle recuperation. Healthy fats. Not all fats are hurtful. As a matter of fact, solid fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are useful for heart well-being. They assist with keeping up with great cholesterol levels, safeguard the veins, and decrease the gamble of a subsequent stroke. Supplanting unfortunate fats, like those from seared and handled food sources, with these sound choices is significant for stroke patients. Hydration. Remaining hydrated is similarly essentially as significant as eating the right food sources. Parchedness can prompt entanglements, for example, blood clumps and disarray, which can dial back the recuperation cycle. Water ought to be the principal wellspring of hydration, albeit homegrown teas and regular natural product juices, with no additional sugar, can be great choices too. 2. Stroke rehabilitation and nutrition. Sustenance doesn't simply assume a part in recuperating the cerebrum, it's likewise fundamental in supporting actual recovery. Stroke patients frequently experience muscle shortcoming, trouble with development, and weakness, making exercise-based recuperation a critical piece of their recuperation. A decent eating regimen fills the body and supports the maintenance of muscles, tissues, and nerves. Protein for muscle repair. As referenced before, lean protein sources are fundamental for stroke survivors in restoration. Protein helps fix harmed muscles and tissues, supporting the recuperation of solidarity and versatility. For patients who find it hard to bite or swallow, delicate proteins like eggs, yogurt, or smoothies with protein powder can be simpler to consume. Vitamins and minerals for brain function. A few nutrients and minerals assume a key part in cerebrum capability, memory, and in general mental recuperation. B nutrients, particularly B6, B12, and folate, are fundamental for nerve capability and mental well-being. Food sources wealthy in these supplements, like salad greens, eggs, and strengthened cereals, can upgrade mind recuperation after a stroke. Magnesium and potassium, found in food varieties like bananas, yams, and mixed greens, assist with controlling pulse and keep up with nerve well-being. Zinc, tracked down in seeds, nuts, and entire grains, upholds tissue fix. 3. Foods that help prevent stroke. For those hoping to forestall strokes, regardless of whether they've had one preceding, certain food sources have properties that safeguard the heart and mind, lower pulse, and decrease irritation, which are all vital elements in stroke counteraction. Leafy greens. Salad greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are brimming with folate, fiber, and nutrients, A, C, and K. These supplements assist with keeping veins adaptable and lessen circulatory strain, which is one of the greatest supporters of stroke risk. Berries. Berries, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are loaded with cell reinforcements that assist with lessening oxidative pressure and aggravation in the body. These mixtures safeguard veins and work on, generally speaking, cardiovascular well-being, assisting with forestalling strokes. Fatty fish, like salmon, omega-3 unsaturated fats, tracked down in greasy fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are great for heart well-being. Omega-3s assist with decreasing fatty oils, lower pulse, and diminish irritation in the veins, all of which bring down the gamble of stroke. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, pecans, flax seeds, and chia seeds are wealthy in solid fats, fiber, and magnesium, which assist with bringing down cholesterol and further develop heart well-being. Normal utilization of nuts and seeds can assist with lessening stroke risk, as they work on the general state of veins and backing solid pulse levels. Whole grains. Entire grains, like oats, earthy-colored rice, and entire wheat, are wealthy in fiber and can assist with lessening circulatory strain and cholesterol levels, the two of which are vital for forestalling strokes. These grains likewise give energy and are a vital piece of a heart-sound eating regimen. 4. Lifestyle changes for stroke prevention. Diet is only one piece of the situation with regards to stroke counteraction. Close by a solid eating routine, certain way of life changes are significant in decreasing stroke risk. Exercise. Standard active work keeps a sound weight, diminishes pulse, and works on generally cardiovascular well-being. Indeed, even moderate activities, such as strolling, swimming, or yoga, can have a major effect. Smoking cessation. Smoking is a major risk factor for stroke. Quitting smoking reduces the risk of stroke and improves the health of blood vessels. Even reducing tobacco use can have a positive impact. Stress management. Persistent pressure can raise circulatory strain, which builds the gamble of stroke. Rehearsals like reflection, profound breathing activities, and care can assist with overseeing pressure and diminish the general stress on the cardiovascular framework. 5. Conclusion and takeaways. All in all, both recovery and stroke counteraction rely upon a far-reaching approach that incorporates a reasonable, heart-sound eating regimen. Whether you're recuperating from a stroke or hoping to forestall one, embracing an eating routine wealthy in natural products, vegetables, entire grains, lean proteins, and sound fats is vital. Little changes can have a major effect, so center around incorporating a greater amount of these food sources into your day-to-day daily schedule. Thank you for watching, and remember, your diet can be one of your best tools in supporting recovery and preventing future strokes. Be sure to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.